Hey everyone! We've been using the Capacities app for a few weeks now, and we've got to say, it's a refreshing twist on personal knowledge management. It's designed as a note taking app with a second brain structure, and it does that pretty well by linking thoughts, media, and documents seamlessly. The pros? The interface is beautiful, minimal but powerful. We love the object based organization, where everything connects contextually. Almost like Notion meets Obsidian. The ability to visualize our notes, tasks, and projects in structured layouts made brainstorming and journaling feel less messy. Syncing across devices worked flawlessly, and the learning curve was surprisingly smooth once we got past the first few hours. The cons, though, are worth mentioning. It's not ideal for collaboration. Capacities is very personal and lacks team features. It also doesn't have offline mode yet, which can be frustrating if you're traveling or working without internet. Some customization options feel limited, and exporting data could be easier. Still, we found it to be an inspiring app that helps us think more clearly and organize complex ideas visually. It's like a digital garden that grows smarter the more you use it. If you're tired of cluttered note apps that feel lifeless, Capacities might be your creative match. We'll definitely keep it in our daily workflow for journaling and idea mapping. This has been How to Nerdy with Smart and Simple and Scam Free.